etimi abodjuma mu nkomo no yesi kieza okodia omo modena nyomo etimi antutu eni mu no omo hwe na niema no edidadia omo abomodena ne Jonathan Davida obodjuma netimi Edemale Metropo no ya fana manaba ababejama boama nema koyepa etimi era mo mano pe no metete se wotaki gata se aboboko no abomoden the offer akwa komasa Ramos ne oye free agent ombra nema me Johnny omo se a 1 year contract until 2024 and modemono etimi aso ani a ombra no ma ye nhihye ye na option no etimi aba akwa koromo 2025 uti no so no e dia ba nyaba betodwa ano edin papa na Arsenal no mo se nei urwani chemo Manchester City o maso ya o ma brand ya ye friend Americ Laporte no o mo se nei Mikel Arteta akwa no se le ti bobo no o check no pantin ko be pesa Laporte mra e ma me join no netimi ambo edwan Man City voze momo ka se ye nkwada asa na ana mo dwen se bizebio ye dware fi na ase na ye re akwa koramu nyaso wo so ana da bia mo ba na ma ba be free players na mo de yeko na jeze timia na mo ti dabi no mo be send ya ba na mo de aba nya ba be ko eti o mo hihye mu no o mo jeze Laporte pa be ko asana de na jeze lalai eno ye de aba be to dance already no o mo fa Gabriel Susi o eno na nche no Alexander Zinchenko ye bomo de etimi afo no so ro etimi refi o ti Man City de o mo za de no nya bode pe na jeze o mo rura mu pe boys ne so o mo bra e ma me journey o mo ne o mo embo adwuma na so Laporte de ne o mo so o mo twa anya de se no so ro etimi ye ti no ye de aba be to dwa na nyambo otena e na Neymar Santos da Silva Junior ye yina pie ne ro wani chemo Saudi Arabia na jeze ne Neymar join Al Hilal Boboko no na no ye be di unkomo se be 90 million euros de e be kwera ma Paris Saint-Germain ye se Neymar presentation no ade na ehudodo ni nyina ze o mbe bo modena na fireworks na ye adwuma drones awdo na ne be ye adwuma eno so kra na nche no o mesia bonyom na afi no o mo si wiase afa na nyina nsentwofo no ya to nsa afre dodo no mbe ba na story no amaba ababa be kayina apo mane makoye pa etimi edi amom ntie no edi ababa be to yanyambo chena meeting bi ebetimi akoso na meeting no eye Al Nassr Boboko no ena ne omo eye ntotoye abomodi akọ nyakwa koshia batlo na painful ni nyanse kremo longle ye preno so omna ma mejamu bejuma etimi emfama Al Nassr na ze boy no omo pushi na enkoye basafo so no ehia skantie so chena meeting no ebetimi akoso na aboa amane ma daye pa etimi ere amom na sara no pa me confirm etimi ere man no nei no eye Romeo Lavia ne da ezanzeme no kasa no onankwamu ba nyaba be Ramo London oba ba be any medical no with Chelsea after no o sign a contract no 7+1 aboa na ntoto na koye pa etimi ere man mun komo no na Chelsea for Chelsea after Romeo Lavia nhyehyɛ o ma yeni ombeto attack esiri mienu na afi no ombepe goalkeeper bi obeba na waba be si goalkeeper friend Kepa Ariza Balaga na ni na so omugidi ze oze omunya backup bi na obere na wapo ma ne ma da ye pa etimi ere man na Ricardo Mame the biggest spenders no na jeze uramo EPO ni ma omo mapomo dem netimi spended pa this season no anu ede nti Chelsea de dikan omo spend 285.9 million pounds Arsenal tosimi no 208 million pounds Man United tosimi esa 179.2 million pounds Tottenham pay toso 164.8 million pounds na Newcastle United omo toso enuma 126 million pounds na Liverpool so edu omo so no 150 million pounds and no ye the Roma boam na ma koye pa etimi armanti fees no omo bo modern potential add-ons no e ya the Roma boam na ma dadi pa etimi armana no na Moises Caicedo na just waba nyaba bedu a obo etumi etimi arma Chelsea no baba be rom no wakasa kakra ne nkomo no say no wabo modern etimi ere jaya enchemu odi rom ne de oba nyaba be no Chelsea no wa chechemu
to play for Chelsea. Very excited to be here. I can't wait to start with the guys. Yeah, I support Chelsea when I was a kid because I saw a lot of players in the midfield like Makelele or N'Golo Kante. They were my inspiration for me to support Chelsea as well. I'm here to be a great player, to help to the team, to become a legend in this amazing club. Every year I have to do my best for this amazing club, one of the biggest club in the world. I'm here to become a legend for this amazing club. I'm so happy to be working for Mauricio Pochettino. He speaks Spanish as well. It's so good for me because I can understand more. I like play more like a central midfielder to help the team to make some tackles. You know, I like to make a lot of tackles.
Antiaru ya command no Moises Kaisero Baba Ramo Chelsea no wapo modi timera tu yari na po manema da yepa etimiere mo to Chelsea na nije zo babo modi na wire tackles no tibo abane de obana wa baba bo buku na po manema da yepa etimiere mo na mo say Liverpool Chelsea de show mo no aman kofo no mo niama na enwan kakra ni anze metete say Liverpool apo modi ani omo so mesako from Nancy o maso ye Andre ye peneso sambra ema me jam na o mebo ejuma etimiere fama club no yon nko yeso mo remove anto no so maso ye bisa zende no omo player ono su giano na so ebo ejuma etimiere mo a ye friend Matias Nunes no na won come on etimete say no mo so mo Ramonisi so no o maso akefan tu am yon nko ene manu konia obo ejuma ma Borussia Mönchengladbach no omo ni abre omo airport mo so mo bra ema me jam mo amane man ko yepa etimiere fama na metete say Sofiane Amrabat ne camp no ko ma pai like akra ye zebe say 1 month ago and omo ni United boboko no ebo mo dia gi editum so omo ni omo ebetimi ejuma na so na omo abomodia yejuma na boa amane ma da ye pretimiere mo na mun komo no e ya dia asana deal no yetimi anya yeti amabufu akraba ababe rama no edi amere hun sesem no e ramu so no etimi edi amana metete se ne West Ham United se BBNC padia je kopari magwa deal no omatwam wefi ho ni nyina so omugiri so mo ara targeta e wo so mo ko ekoko ram no mo pa mo so mo mra e ma me ejuma fa mo bi wasa now no Harry Magwa ne Man United nkomo didie no en compem se ni pay off wo se remedy man no ne se etimi account metete se West Ham for no so mo so no etimi atwam ho no ye dia aba be rama no edi ye papa me di remedy man o emende saka etimi da cheba so na boboko ne so mo nkoma komanto mo yam ni na se Joao Cancelo nkomo didie no ekoyie papa etie bia da bi obeba na no aba be jama bo ejuma etimi da ma club ye from Barca anti no so no enkoma pa aba be to dwa edi remedy man Juve akwa bisa Gigi Donnarumma ho asem zen ne kwan da ho a omra no ma mebo mo de ndo mo post no mo emfa mo ne mo ma totu no enkoyie fa mo nsam no doso ba mre ni so a edi yenre na ye mo modin ne rerema na Ricardo a quick one here birthday special na sana ne the transfer man Michael Akomia Jemfi aba nyaba be rem na de akebia ato aso kama pretimi edi ama be zen ne no ba ko bi biti no yetimi endan ye ho bara ye bere na ya bomodin na ye rerema na afedi akebia etimi ato aso kama pretimi ra mantia je Akomia beba no de awramu na adwama so ya resere ne ma isi ekoro ne didi on come Ricardo edama me yanko na birthday special na resere ne ma ne siete enti Pastor Ike orwani chemo miama soya Church of the Lord Brotherhood ona Pastor Ike ewo na jeze headquarters so Kumasi South Central ona ne obo ejuma no na the commander yana chief edema CYD eno na nche no ejuma bono e ya de ano edempa to bengeze ena yoda no happy birthday erome fama na nyame Asia papa tie no Pastor Ike no yanko ya nimere the other one so no ne so no Dr. Elder Amos Nana na jeze bunyu we ni fafi o mame na yewre ma na mwa ti Dr. Elder Amos Nana Kwejo JC do na friend ekoba simpremu na ne so no nana na woda nana nyame Asia papa me nyane de za afi mu na ne ma na jeze mo 40 years anniversary no gusu ekoso aneso akọ yoda nti wankasa na wase Prince Owusu Achia and afi oba Saraya Afra JC almost special one romo etimi afama na afi waso emba no Church of Pentecost omo ocha afrefede na be de amomoni aso ntinyame Asia papa na jeze no nye elder no nana Kwejo JC ekoba simpremu happy birthday nko enfama open case here the other ones no na yewrewra mo ya ni mebi nko enfama Grace Boache a champion na jeze nesu ye Grace nso na da Grace nyame nye Asia papa na omwa na de onso upebia no ewramu kama pa entimi afama na totu ende da yesoro enfrema here the other ones no ebi so nko entimi afama Millicent AJ Mafo Millie so no orwani echiema na jeza achema DA primary school hona ni ochade ne wachema kwanwoma district na ne papa Bernard AJ Mafo enso adua osinenko entimi afama Millie na nyamisha papa na nema ende da ye entimi afama here the other ones no na dia kanto aso ebi so nko enfama Mrs Monique upon brinya orwani chem ewo USA hona ni owa obo ejuma boa mane amadeda ye prayer etimi eremantu wa okunu Mr Kofi upon brinya open geziansi odopa na na yoda no nyamishia papa na bibia enso entimi enkoye ne biso nko enfa ema Mrs Patricia Frimpong na jeso no so no eni ne da Mrs Patricia Frimpong wankasa kuna friend Benjamin Frimpong multi choice Ghana DSTV Go TV ono wa obo ejuma no so se enramu kama so no entimi enfa ma ne biso nko enfa ma Prince Abrokwa news na Abrokwa e onso no oda na yesu Kumasi International Airport na onso no obo ejuma Pajo Big Joe shoe say eromu kama pa etimi fama bro na nyamisha ne biso nko enfama Bright and Ponsa Fojo di adodo na ye de friend no ye friend Tino wa Amstead ene match as economics with social studies level 200 student no ena ne no Tino so no ebo adwuma Tino happy birthday Roman fama na Cindy Amoa so no ne ye Cindy so no ne da na Cindy oro ani chema na Techno Mobile Service Center oro ani chema Kesben building ma opposite Aseda House ewe dumoro no so wa ene obo adwuma Tofi Gonja zin romu kama parent me fama Cindy na yami Asia ne bi nko enfama ka boadu na kra nso no ne akọ ne da no nyame Asia no papa na ombo na ne mande da din so enfama no do wani chemo bibia ni new compounder and afia so chade o St Mary Preparatory School brajo ese enko nyentimi enfama obapa na ne mande da yi so no etimi enfama kama pa yen ready other ones no ebizuru enfama Ebeneza Asai ebe nso no ne ye ne da na ebe azuru do na friend Luka Tony na Big Joe shoes near Kwaraso New Market on our also Obo Juma Dr. Abedi Kwaraso ese enromu kama paint me fama na ntutu ye no enso entimi ended that di ntisa pepe ena mu nkomo no ni sie tie ma menko me man aba na the transfer man enfa mi rom ni endidi di nkomo akra ne hwe se de niema esie tie ne di ekọ ne ade na afi ye rewram na bibia entimi ended that di ne nkoti awomianza we ready a premitum na me hwe ze niema de dema na ye nramu na mboa man hwehwe no entimi ekọ meza za bibia aboko de
na me adumahwe ni experience o timenka
o me to nka niema de dadi so pa adende na ba
Ewurade misumi frewa jimi so ejatie miye enyuani tam yo misu frewa tie mi yo misu frewa tie me afe de mapem abu emu ayeden
uri ma de na last time obeye no ana nam wiase afana nyina na obi ayo ewiase on ewiase agomia ewiase on enipa na yen hyehyɛ on be nyame na yɛ den e ma ne bam
ituba just only ma wa compare boy
da bibia ni anyanto bo ase me da me bom pɛ ma no so me captain
oyo dey
me captain
yeah abu
so one say the wiase sitie
hey but abu you see the context around Harry Maguire situation there was me can I say let me use the right word for the current situation of Harry Maguire deal no a stalling a moving kobebia a jina fapo now various people from Manchester G2 say it is a brief from West Ham to push them say omoben in 10 terms to no mama Harry Maguire because West Ham and Yam Brescia pay replacement already almost season na shase and they need replacement as soon as possible omu hia center back as soon as possible Man United baby omujina na said they are supposed to pay Harry Maguire £7 million for severance as a severance fee to say was some club no ana what na katua no so dey aba from kra inti Manchester United needs to compensate him no ana Man United betwa free or no omo twetwe omo na ase and at the same time they are looking for replacement before and some of Harry Maguire call West Ham or Mama Nako. And in this contest, you are only delaying this particular deal between these two sides. Say, Man United for West Ham catch almost say, Yane Harry Maguire and Temuno, Ye, Mombe Fanen Qua, West Ham Besaba back, no more complete BB, and the Harry Maguire day. Echo. Then Manchester United so ain't me and Qua, they will need to make sure say they keep an unhappy player who is going to operate with an unhappy coach and an unperson player on the bed. They need to move as fast as possible as they can to make sure. And yes, sir, West Ham will move in for other targets. Or Masha say inquiries. Abu, West Ham Masha say inquiries into different players they will have to bring in to make sure say on Betima Babe replacing. Then Romeo Lavia. Abu Chelsea are confirming Kaisedo na then round. They are moving to Lavia so be completing the deal in the way. But if you say there was no agreement between Southampton and Liverpool and
Zana Bibi
there was no agreement between Southampton and Liverpool a year and round. What happened was Liverpool a call back after say Omo any Southampton league come for 2 weeks. And Omujina £46 million. Omo call back Kobusa Southampton for ne say Romeo Lavia 177 bi Mama wi ana. Emuna na Romeo Lavia catch Southampton, a catch Chelsea for, a catch the agency ni say Chelsea are no be there obebo. Liverpool takes asem na in order to prevent somebody agree a fee with Southampton no and they stepped back. It is you see and Chelsea and Southampton didn't come out and yes 60 million pounds so they said the city won say as the base fee about 50 million pounds. Then no man discuss Adams Kakra at the account. The Romeo Lavia is going to play for Air Chelsea. Nabu, the reason behind Lavia moving to Air Chelsea in Nipa Bako, Joe Schultz. I don't know, no Manchester City. Or no, and the born home when they Chelsea did Lavia and Manchester City did Lavia about Manchester City. Of course, Southampton, no. I don't say pushy Yama Romeo Lavia every Manchester City year day. Ever Southampton. And then on one Sakako Piemu, Air Chelsea. To no, and a such a pushy. Se Romeo Lavia Emra boy na jatum so ba be si akan e de ama eye Chelsea team no e free eneko itiabu yen kwanko see the next 48 hours ye bo se Romeo Lavia e be join Chelsea officially. Chelsea will be having their men Lavia, Caicedo, then Enzo Fernandez as their three-man midfield. Nyame adoma free weekend we ko nyina ye be hunu se Chelsea e operate in that particular midfield. Then Abu Neymar Dos Santos Junior Enra any a bibia akosi se Neymar was signed documents was signing bibia so ba be Al Hilal player na the 10 years say Neymar eba ko piem was Saudi Arabia on Friday. Despite say contract has been signed bibia timi ya de ogum krata fa prepare bibia no Neymar be ko Saudi Arabia on Friday ni ye be na kire Al Hilal supporters ni na amobia hunu se Neymar nie maba na abu sikasem ne de ebura dwene nti ase so because we Neymar pa na Al Hilal win match bia na Neymar benya 80,000 euros.
Omo win match bia
Neymar benya 80,000 euros.
Hey.
Ana opposite bibia about Al Hilal e won the social media handle. Say on the promote Saudi Arabia na say once they go visit Rwanda, visit opposite bibia about Saudi Arabia say betimi aboma obi ehunu Saudi Arabia no near 500,000 euros.
Wow.
E won the social media handle.
Hey. Adimebao. Nyambo watchna. There is a deal na be official. But on one
kasa be ko Saudi Arabia Friday.
Eno na yeze o makofa nyuntufo ne.
Amakofa nyuntufo nyina de o maba. Oma ma name private jet ababi opeso ko bi obetimi da. Koma sama ne full mansion amano. Servant on be serving fio.
Wow.
It's Neymar Dos Santos ko kwa Hilal na nyebete.
But I was almost share ya that once na anye we no. Is almost face na nkaza ni.
Almost face na nkaza.
Cristiano Ronaldo no.
On se na nko Cristiano Ronaldo na nko Hilal no ko na say.
Yes.
Messi wa ma despite the amount of money on the koye. Kylian Mbappe 300 million euros no mo de buy and say nko mo 1 year ni pe na nko no. Eno na amfa. Now Neymar comes in it be bia na was mo de ma those players ni bia no. Eno a ana mo push do na de ama Neymar in different stages. Itiabu by Friday, we'll see Neymar or Saudi Arabia. Say Omu Yino, Eddie Natural. Renato Sanchez, Paris AS Roma on loan with an option to buy. Nabu, the whole contract in the Munier. Renato Sanchez loan fee near 1 million euros to AS Roma. But the option to buy him, no, Edina said about 60% of games the AS Roma. Abu, also Mutimi trigger 15 million euros. At the signing Renato Sanchez, a man a permanent move. At the moment at the end of the day, na ono ekeka no okawo. It Jose Mourinho ni abre say Renato Sanchez loan deal no. Also in this situations, you need to normally share contract no at 60%.
Yes.
It will me both 60% of games now. Renato Sanchez, a official player at the amomo. And only Nkosio Zaniolo, Aston Villa trigger this move because of Emiliano Buendia issue no.
Oh, okay.
Buendia akunya ACL. And the pushy ya mama kofa Zaniolo so a person wa the English Premier League. Looking at the face of it, the impact. Any nyome wo mo mema wiase afa na nyina de hunu. Nti no ma Galatasaray deal no. Omo de tun cheti Abu Dhabi. Zaniolo, such as you said earlier on no, wa ba be piemu e wo Aston Villa. Na Amadou Onana. Yeti asem we ba. Amadou Onana Manchester United ni abrecho mbese Amadou Onana. So
when Bama I'm about a cousin.
Manchester United is looking forward to sign 2 midfielders.
Oh, okay.
Now 2 midfielders are dependent on Fred Van der Beek and Scott McTominay so day movie. But the first one and priority was about Fred a movie on to about I agree personal terms already. They are looking for Van der Beek. The negotiations with Real Sociedad never possible. The only difference between Man United and Van der Beek issues, and I say Real Sociedad issue, I say Man United now come up a permanent transfer for Van der Beek to Real Sociedad. And Real Sociedad so make me loan with an option to buy. loan with an option to buy no discussions are keeping your long and so say one they tria salary ni kese and one they tria ketwa. It Manchester United will have to move them on. And we are aware Scott McTominay say Manchester City a ton paqueta. There's a likelihood says come on many film no two players na West Ham de beto. Kudus and a Scott McTominay. It almost relax over say e den obeko. But Amadou Onana de no omanya brace and kan menum ya common fan ba go here a certain level of physicality on VVO. But the main issue here is that the first phase of build up after another game now has also become an issue. But there is a friendly match between Manchester United and Everton behind closed doors.
Oh, okay.
Omo game ni bi enrano. Omo ni Everton players ne bebo. No mo we are. Yet thing is Manchester United offer mo de Everton here say players bang and Omo United mu a Everton nya omo ye den. Omo pe. Because mo ni say Everton here players. So if Everton decides say yepe Hannibal Medfi, yepe Scott McTominay, yepe player we are on be calculating no more their source and they will use it as a leverage to discuss a deal for Amadou Onana. It after a friendly game no. Who say there will be developments, quite development. Maybe say Everton per player away for Manchester United. Manchester United will try and use that particular player as a leverage to get a Amadou Onana. They will test the waters. If they could survive, they will do that deal and do Amrabat deal no as soon as possible. Send the bear and Nyoma Betty Marcos. But Abu, yet it is Sembi. Matheus Nunes. Liverpool person more approaching. The 10 years officially Liverpool go Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Official will be unreal.
Omunko official will be uncle. They are only trying to explore, speaking to Abrante when the agency to talk to him and understand the situation around Boy and Ankasa. They are one on the contract and to say Wolves. They are woman. Now everyone Abu Dhabi or didn't come on now. Or money suspect a front to round. Say almost a bit because too desperate. They need a DM. They need midfielders. Chelsea for Bubu put Omobu Mukojoto. Omobu Liverpool Kojoto. Flawless victory. Now front to round. No money a person who person more than a banner. Ya think Komobi or Portugal Abu Dhabi. This be hard here. Omo Henderson a baby replacement for Henderson. So no matter the defensive midfielder they will buy this be hard because on only a replacement for. But in common I yet say you could pay more Portugal. Ya dey aso tough for no. Obia submitted bid £25.8 million to Benfica. Obia submitted bid £25.8 million for Benfica. Omo de kwa na Benfica tampe pa no mo no de to pepa mi say suro. Se Florentino Luis ne bo onye sa. Ni ehwehwe mu na no Liverpool ne kofa atire kwa yes abid ni bi.
Liverpool na san feature could this happen.
Yes.
Is your almost show chess for into mudin community.
Said your moya Kaiser do they notice on maybe.
Dabi.
After 7 no coin yet. What I say? Omo try say they will try and move beneath. And this time around though, Liverpool are very much cautious in terms of leaks. But it started 10 on Portugal for one day, any Spain for no, any Italy for no. Who could you do when you found it any Germany? I don't know if you studied it. So what you do with Italy? Sporting directors no more fan your man to
yes.
Obeka. Who could you do with Spain? Unya honestly be no mutibom ni abu. Okoye you see Obeka. Oko Germany Bamilek for this say bibi obekwa be bia omano na.
Omoba no ma be chichi.
Omoba no ma be chichi Obeka. Then you go to Portugal where agents and clubs there no. Omo so anu na. Ebe PSC a ojogo mu ne abola mu be ya ba sisi e. Omo de ba ko di nkomo. And abu no mu nim say mystery by Florentino Luis the na namase. But he's a signing if Liverpool should push forward for. Ebetimi abo mo. Manchester City prepare a new bid for Lucas Paqueta. Abu from £60 million in the City. Episode mo try no mo two and one person mo leverage on the interest of West Ham in Kopama. By the close of next 48 hours, Abu City the new bid back for Paqueta. Now, omode kono inkomodi de ombedi ni say even if they are going to sell Kopama to West Ham, omode buy back Bishop. To say the omuye Romeo Lavia de no to Southampton. Even if ombe ton Kopama permanently ya, omode buy back Bishop. Anesa a loan. And omode bema West Ham, then they will pay for Paqueta. Now, eno na so mu twa na Jeremy Doku. City and ya brace Jeremy Doku na be replacement for Riyad Mahrez. Jeremy Doku. Currently, what City is doing here is a City in Quarreneho. City ni boy ni din ko one person mo settle on personal terms. Omo agree a City main target akamienu no Jeremy Doku and Lucas Paqueta. Omo nyomu mienu a they are done, they will move on. Inter Milan enya wie Marco Anatovic from Bologna. and Oba be see a kind of for 10 million euros. It's Marco Anatovic will join them. Then Mohamed Kudus. West Ham, any end to ride the dim Komo. And Komodi the Ned Chama, Kudus, and an Adriamo. Say, so much me finding an agreement with Ayasa. Oba be see a kind of mom. Kudus sees this as a better opportunity than what Brighton would have given him. What the style of play to change? Now, what the coach on the 100 to change? Kudus, if we say, now Brighton demanded a lot from him in terms of no maybe on financial contract. Once Brighton have because of their model or no model year demand. Abu, so now we play and now sign they put a lot of things into that particular contract for you. So that they are tied at your back and they will demand whatever fee that they want. Kudus is so pennies, so Kudus is quite relaxed and is waiting for West Ham. West Ham, enya ton pakweta na. Don't be surprised. An official bid will go in. But as to say Ajax will accept. Already there has been a first business between West Ham and Ajax. Eko Smooth, Alvarez. It's almost here ni say almost Abeka Mohamed Kudus and Abu Mohamed Kudus na nkasa hu ni say good. But this is the situation now Abu Ekoso. Who say referees no move no. Next week yama mundi games. Omo mo kodi match. Oh cool. Yama. Are dey na ba. PGM MOL for na catch almost say situation e course no no man e course so e ma wo na penalty no mo antimi anje no as a penalty but there's one thing about the Premier League that I want us to really understand. This is a penalty. I want this is a clear penalty. Abu, this is a clear penalty. This is a clear penalty. When you're born or play no come. But this is the EPL where clubs suffer. And another day, no, near Kwako penalty, they are moving for. A common one, fine. And common one, fine. I've seen people talk, and I'm telling you this particular EPL, there were instances last season, and I was a Manchester United, near penalties, but
penalty.
It's a clear penalty.
Martin Medasi, why? You be share na aye na me say count 9 way taxes na ya bi mo de nam na yo monte so but nyame boa Wednesday ne Wednesday bia 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. ya bo mo de na ba omia no yetimi edi abel edi ana wa join Dr. Mahmudu Baumia ni team no enu ye DMB ni team no na series city na Wednesdays bia 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. ni aba pimpa no ni hihye ni juma pa wa ye ne niam ase ni ampipi amanyoko no ye mana kwanya so ma medom no de beba no eno nkomo na ye ba bi di team era chonti Ghana ni bia no from Nyambo Ochina 4 p.m. 6 p.m. the Wednesdays bia 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Beba ababre live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa FM Kumasi, Sompa FM Sunyani, Sompa FM Nkranza na Fitera 1 TV ewa Accra di ye bo modena Baumia no ewram na aboa manema koye pa etimi edi amount di Maria na menko na mene Michael son to aso kama pa na nema etimi da bigina bibia aboko de
abonyame adom bibia kama
na no de me fine
once you be a little bit of 2x4 accounting biwa na machem data Chelsea making all these signings and why people are concerned say FFP benyomo it might not be the case mecheche ma dodo na beti ase then it will give us an understanding of how most of these transfer fees no is here clubs ne accounting na almost the shisho books ni manyo makoye dem on but once Kaisedo video no Kaisedo video ni kama a man for say me ba member to asun cookie and the cookie bebre kitchen no why she into the infamy say be infantum Liverpool Chelsea Kaisedo saga no say na Liverpool for na daily or more nti o me enko Kaisedo one ento hu a e ya adwene nko na nyansa nko nti Liverpool for no mo daily or mo ho wo Kaisedo deal nim no
omona bo
ano mo lock your mon till Liverpool na ne tishe mu ono ankasa lock na
ebo we ni mu za to za
de bi okune ho kra ana Romeo Lavia bed na nda na efe kama omo me hwe Romeo Lavia bed na omo de kwa ni entie sound so hwe o de hwa de
$20,000
Nobody is saying 60 million or this shame one brush boy is a minyamba nurse was saying son until omuwie no another one Liverpool baby ordinity akwa share Wajene Wanje, or no one or didn't tia question. First one, 1-4. Second one, still 1-4 into our local one. And the Juvenis was an here. Abu Chelsea, Egusu spend all your story. We said this summer, Chelsea have spent in excess of 280 million pounds.
Yes.
Or they can't toward Bolly buy, the way Messi spend there. Never spending Nankasa Bros wa a Yakobe 900 million pounds. Now, why is Chelsea not in breach of financial fair play rules? Are away for the Abba and the Peseme Jim Renami Kakra. On my Chelsea signings for this summer. Now, Chelsea signings for this summer, no. Obeun said, what to players now, do Moises Caicedo, 116 million euros. Waba, Christopher Nkunku, 60 million euros. Axel Disasi, 45 million euros. Nicholas Jackson, 37 million euros. Leslie Ugochukwu, 27. Robert Sanchez, 23. Angelo, 15 million euros per the valuation of transfer market. Okay, can in Abu Mabu. There's a 323 million euros minus the Romeo Lavia fee. Memfa Romeo Lavia and Kanhu because the conversation will add him to it when officially he becomes a Chelsea player. Now, Chelsea players are maton this particular period, and so ASA. Omo atom players 254.90 million euros. Enti okabumwa na ese Chelsea yaboka bear 60 million euros in terms of net transfer fee. Now ububumu akwa onko the next slide in fama ebema the transfer outlay of Chelsea this particular period and ebe explain the mechano. Now net transfer no a minus 74 million dollars. Dollars. It is there for a reason. $74 million. Yes, Chelsea atom players in $279 million. And on our top players in $353 million. Enti, the old tono, a won fast war. The old tono, a woka. Enti Chelsea are top players, atom players, aboka. $74 million as it stands now.
Oh, okay.
So Romeo Lavia, a bear riser could drew $138 million. So we don't care simple mathematics and we don't care how be in him. But and yes, sanity transfers it doesn't work this way. Especially so recorded the financial books. Club will be prepared the financial statement for the year. In preparing financial statements, you recorded transfers to say.
Recording is
yeah.
Recording.
Yeah, accounting terminology be a friend of amortization.
Oh, okay.
Amortization. Amortization is simply one, equivalent to the NFN or higher purchase. Me koto dine. A diner meto no me di diner no. Amane bone drew $20 million. But machine pane say, oma me mfie be ye do. Metu ya $20 million ne di amano. Enti sano amortization ebeba ha ne say, $20 million divided by 10. Enti every year bia no metu ya saying. Bet you are $2 million.
Yes.
And Tisano, you prepared a financial statement for me, Nika Kroya. For this year, I will not spend $20 million on a house. I will spend just $2 million. Exactly.
And I'll finish the can all day.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
So amortization simply means one, paying off a debt. Say odeka na utia kanu over time in equal installments. That is simply amortization. Paying off a debt. Our day over time in equal installment. That is amortization. Now, yes, idea way no to reduce the book value of an intangible asset. You can't intangible asset. Tezabu ebi our image right. You ain't mean quantify your image right and then you
yes.
Yep. But me wa pen. The pen is a tangible asset. I can buy the pen now for 2 cedis. But we know you play. I mean, no. Players are intangible assets. We only apply a certain valuation based on the selling club. And the amortization is mostly on paying off a certain amount of money on intangible assets and reduce your book value over a period of time. Now, I am the Chelsea example. So, Chelsea talk, I said, oh, my Chelsea signings, no any more transfer duration. Chelsea talk, I said, no, or they sign a share 8-year contract. Nancy Obeti, yes, Chelsea are top player, 1 7 years, so do you want here? To allow for amortization and then exploit a certain loophole in the Premier League rule, and then it was even UEFA. and I wait for breaking it there. No, I know maximum 5 years.
Yes.
But Premier League, no, there is no limit now until the next year. And maybe a model limit, beba. So there is no limit on the contract length out of the Bema player. So Chelsea is signing players now more 8 years, 9 years, 7 years. No, it is for a reason. It is to ensure that players no more Tony in terms of a more amortized cost for a year. And benya financial implications on Chelsea in the books or so. And the Caicedo 8 years, I hear this simple calculation. It means that Caicedo Buono, Abu, or the bad dollars more. This year, Chelsea won't pay Brighton 100 million in their books. They will pay $18.25 million.
$18.25
million.
Oh, okay.
For Caicedo. In Kunku, a 6-year contract, yet no, bear close to $80 million. Chelsea will pay just 11 million this year. And every year, piano for the 6-year period, 11 million at Chelsea betia. This I see. Chelsea Torno for over $40 million. Chelsea betia 8.3 on Axel Disasi. Jackson, Chelsea betia $5.125 million. Ogechuku Leslie, Chelsea to $4.28 million this year. Sanchez Robert, $3.57 million. Anna Angelo Gabriel, Chelsea to $3.4 million. So the amortized cost of these signings now Chelsea and for this period, so prepare the financial statement, Abu, and do $55 million.
Wow.
And that is what amortization does. So Chelsea won't pay even close to $100 million when signings here or make here if or prepare the financial statement. And the financial statement in the so for a 3-year period. Now you say we breach FFP now and I say we breach here. So yet the same way as here. I think we can move on. Now so all the Lavia crab be kanwa me pacho don't go there yet. All the Bra studio here. So what the Lavia ba be kanwa. Lavia, if Chelsea sign him for the reported fee of £50 million now, it would equate to be $60 million. Now, it means Chelsea amortization on Betia for Lavia, if they are giving him a 7-year contract, will be $9.142 million. Or the Kahua. It means that if Chelsea even add Lavia, they will pay amortized transfer fees for the season under review. And after the financial year, about $63.67 million in their books. So Chelsea won't suffer for the transfer fees, no Mutiano. But it also does not mean that Chelsea are free of not breaking FFP breaches. But transfers, not particularly in America. For the transfer fees, they are okay because of the length of contract on the Momo. And it was a strategy adopted by Clelic. Todd Mobile Talk Club, no. They brought in this accounting now. And a precky Premier League no more because there was that loophole and they exploited it. UEFA has also changed stuff, but Premier League they and take immediate effect. So Chelsea have 1 year, and Sanaya regularizing Yoma. I'm about 5 years maximum. Tino Moma players 8 years. Now where does this leave Chelsea? In accounting, okay, there's an in the last 3 transfer windows, in terms of amortized transfer fees, Chelsea cost $200 million. Or the bar, in terms of player sales, Chelsea have realized $191 million. So FFP no calculated, I mean Chelsea they cut $9 million as it stands now. The FFP limit has been increased from 30 million euros, which is equivalent to $35 million, to 90 million euros, which is equivalent to $95 million. So $95 million crown, or 9 million free money. It means Chelsea still have a buffer of over $80 million, not in breach of financial fair play rules. This is the explanation. Now, over FFP Nebiwa, you in fact transfer in Kwani a day statement, the wages count, and that is where the cost is. Yes. So me top player, you fan is for a free agent. Now me fano ebi a Barca ne Gundogan. Barca ma Gundogan $300,000 a year. Sorry, a week. 300,000 times 52 in the year. It means Barca will pay close to be more than $15 million for Gundogan wages.
Yes.
Bankomo to transfer fee and can a transfer fee for the year and then do that. So to some extent, free agents for the year are more expensive than even transfers.
Free agent for
because of wages.
Oh, okay.
And the wages part, and it's me peja club they are spending. But in the case of Chelsea, she players omujo omokwai. Koulibaly was a high earner. Kai Havertz high earner. Mason Mount high earner. Into our offloaded players omuji ka kese ni dey free wage bill neso. And our players not your mabane, they are basically unknown players. Into omo 30, 40, 50. Into Uma ALS Ogechuku, Oma no 50 a year, £1,000 a week. Wama Angelo Gabriel £20,000 a week. O Momo Mosa, o Musika no Kraka Bomwa and Drew Koulibaly there. So they have offloaded one player and the wage now come to Yamano. It is catering for maximum 4 players on the new players list.
Sompa Sports.
So it is a shrewd accounting move by the Chelsea team. Players on Motomo, are they players on me indispensable? No. They can do without these players, but they have made room for much more revenue to be kept in the club. Our month spending. Wow. Away from that, me pasi a shadi on my Chelsea financial account for last year. Na me fe no fe
share ne be 1 minute ma me na post on bro. Na ma unze or my going so aka se mi nya pan ka na me mo ahwe ba memre no.
Oh no problem.
Share no 1 minute ma me
financial statements ne fe ngu so mfa ma me. This is Chelsea's financial statement for last year. Mashada na ma midday circle found. The operating loss of Chelsea for the last business year was £236,718,000. Now operating loss no esote because omoba benya an aspect where profit on disposal of player registrations and they are 123,151,000 into eteso edeba 115,945. That is a loss for Chelsea for the financial year.
Yes.
Good. Now me the way by because we be a massacre now matro player amortization and trading. That is for the period 2022. Operation expenses now yemfa player amortization in count. Amortization of player expenses ni weni inano. Because of players at Chelsea nyai. On the next slide. Weni expense. The difference here in players are 20 players are unyano. Check baby amateur additions. If you are getting players on board, say top players are untia transfer fee no imminently on the accounting statement. By a top player, you record the transfer fee instantly on the transfer on the balance sheet.
Wow.
So that is what Chelsea will use. Into check it. After July 1, 2021, amortization charge for the year. O check it players at Chelsea for a period they account here 160 million euros. Sorry, 160 million pounds. O check here and on the wall. But Chelsea's players are more torn and their disposals no 147, 166.
Wow, Medasi, Mickey.
In a nutshell, the third ball in more, internet transfers are channel. They go and calculate all these things. No man who says he come over to you say, send your bayer and found.
Mate, Medasi, premise in Chimu, na ya chanche. Bachi cham yan clear. Abazo, Agwaba,
Mejosi Abu.
Na Bibiashe yede.
Oh, yes. Manage Assembly Studio.
Oh, okay.
Turn him into a manager.
Be Nimo eyes or catch.
Oh, Spain. Winnie.
Spain are winning. Basuna for now.
Some more kakra.
Basuna for now.
Kakra. Yes, that's beautiful.
Basuna for.
Beautiful.
Excellent game. Almost self attack. Barcelona, you know.
Excellent
game. And we also reflect to our
excellent game. Tactically, Peter Gerson, or a very experienced trainer for the Swedish team. What team more over a decade. I mean, so we're building a solid team, and they are difficult to break down. And they are coming up against a team. We are fortunate to have Barcelona players almost share Wolfsburg 3-2. Our Champions League, no, they dominate the team. When was the last time we sent the Bosque example? Our 2010 World Cup, or take you out from Aragones, what he did. Now that's exactly what this friend is saying. Who Vidal? Now to the game. First half, no, very tight, very difficult. Now, first half, one goal, one shot on target. Natalie Blom, Emma, beautiful pass to Rofo, Frilunina, also a Barcelona winger. It was Sweden, yes. About Champions League, she's a very good player. Now, the colleague Barcelona keeper, Katakol. On the best side, keeper, Misa Rodriguez, after 3 matches. Katakol, so the first half, Spain, Ainata Bonmati, Barcelona defensive midfielder. On your strike be a cover the bar. Ivan Redondo or Levante. I mean, look, she's walking to the team very well. Honestly, I want the 5 changes now, coach. After losing 4-0 to Japan, no? And so also our team, she's been consistent. I mean, very consistent. On Emma, Real Madrid player Esther Gonzalez, number 9, no Airbre, because she's very consistent. Now, also your chance, MBC. Then the next chance, Amanda Lester, she has 4 goals, a centre back, 4 goals in the tournament so far. Good when you come to corner and free kicks. On your chance, by over the bar. So, you call first half, no, with only 1 shot on target coming from Sweden. The bar second half. Second half, no, Kosavari Aslani, first shot, and a goalkeeper, Katakol Chia. Then, Rofo again. Sweden decides to press it very high because Japan Emma Japan because this team, because they dominated by Barcelona players, who say control, pass, movie, and the person prevented that like they did to Japan. But unfortunately, when we are technically very good than the Japanese players. And Alexia Putellas, another Barcelona very good midfielder. Yes. Coach me a substitution. Eddie Sama Ayingono, 90 or a left winger, but Odineba as a striker. Or my Jennifer Hermoso, also a former Barcelona, but yes. Pachuca, or no bar midfield. And now my Sama. Time as Sama buy a pet. Now Johan Anderson or led back my Sweden or study break because or using rough in the open or the end. Now, if you had this goal, for example, goal there by a first goal, no.
Sompa Sports.
Now it was a situation where Jennifer Hermoso a ball across. And Johan Anderson prevented Ivan Navarro on your ball. And he bouncy, no, and a better Sama in him. Now Sama has 2 defenders. Magdalena Eriksson and Amanda Lester, 2 center backs, no. But what she did, that's top technical brilliance for her. She had moved on in here. One time, they done it. Now the Swedes decided to bounce back strongly. They decided to now go all out. And going all out, they were able to get an equalizer. Lena Hertig, beautiful pass to Rebecca Blomqvist. And Rebecca Blomqvist, that was poor defending for the Spanish team. But once again, Spain, in spite of the fact that when we are aggressive physical, Spain, the typical dominating pass, game. Then, Teresa Bellera, Real Madrid defensive midfielder for this national team, take a short corner. Edmar, Camona Olga, also Real Madrid, led back, and Opeja na Musova, Cezira, Mukipano, Musova is the other one. Oh yeah, but Nisankai, look, this goalkeeper is a top goalkeeper. Nisankai Kakra, but no. Now I'm very proud of the coach, however that. Let's make out to them on why yes. Why so far from Japan game now. Was since then was Spain and Sweden from Switzerland. About Netherlands. Netherlands, don't forget this girl, Sama, 111 million of free Obeshe, go no Emma, Spain. And then once again, I must say, sir, what Sweden has done, on my idea, just says unfortunate because look, Sweden was able to prevent the US team from the defending champion, 4-time champion. I'm making sure says Sophia Smith, Wanyani Day, Lindsay Horan, Anyani Day, Trinity Rodman, Anyani Day, Alex Morgan, Anyani Day, draw, winning 5 from penalty. Against Japan, almost making sure that the silence Mina Tanaka, Wanyani Oye, Oba Fujino, also Ahoni Day. Hinata Miyazawa. So, our defense is solid. And the Ellie Robinson, number 6, she's extraordinary. So they've done very well. But and they're back against a team that is technically a bit better than they are. And that's also unfortunate, but on my idea, they've done well. I have to give it up to them. But now Spain is awaiting the winner of England, any Australia. I know you're China, Spain, yes. And I would love the double for the Barcelona players up there because I'm at the Champions League and they've done very well. And I love them. And don't forget, this is the first time Spain could have quarterfinals. And they've gone beyond quarterfinals, ventured the semi-finals, and they dare to dream. BT a stalwart. Sweden, Sweden, Japan, former champion 2011, US, former defending champion 2015, 2019. I mean, back to back. That is a very top class performance from the Spanish team. Whoever that coach in why and now they are with the winner of Ochina Machino. Now, me call Mali. Mamutu Toure, the Malian Federation president. Na Mamutu Toure, Mamutu Toure, that's him, a 60-year-old. Mamutu Toure, a FIFA council member. We are African Federation president leader. Bibia target pie to go on the FIFA council.
Yes.
Say a honor, we are football. Adwene nyina ho ne so ono ni Maturin Sports Benin FIFA president omo represent the Air FIFA council ye was zones.
Yes.
So the francophone zone omo na yes, so anglophone zone ye was Melvin Amajupenik.
Yeah.
And ye was Dr. Patrice Mochepe. Oba the northern zone Fauzi Leka Moroccan Federation president, then Hani Abu Rida. And your Baba,
Hani Abu Rida.
Oh, yes. Oh, Nimejuma. And you need for such organization, such experienced guys around. It's very important for the purpose of organizing growth in institutional memory. Number 2 FIFA president or about so once and Infantino Betuno. So that's it. Now, Oshia Faz Legane now Oba Aisha Johansson, Sierra Leone. Onoko 2 Burundi, Lydia and Seredeka on Zunoche from 2013. Now we know the Sompa Sports Abayachino almost say 1 Wawiska embezzlement 1 misuse sika and was a 4G document. Now enye as Federation President or yeah, as a National Assembly Finance and Administrative Director.
Oh, okay.
There's almost Parliament. That was 2013 to 2019 for every president. Now, the open said, we are so what disqualify Kakuba Keita, Salaba Baby, and Asilibi Murita, or a former vice president of Mali, Food and Federation. Election Bebasu make a federation election of Mali and can say about 29th August this year. Now, one that is not make a to last no. Vetting that is no. Say election no qua. Who submit some passports. Vetting no asembono. Vetting no disqualiphobia.
Vetting no disqualiphobia.
Or disqualiphobia. Nipa for you to much baby. Now disqualify more a win so on a sea and a jar a buddha. And now we have a tuno. Now economic and financial pool, like I say, Hanoi fans say Yoku, Ewo Malino, Omachino. Now, Oma and Chinukaka or detention as we speak now. Now, Ombe started pre-trial no next week. Now, pre-trial Ombe started next week, means that automatically, as we speak now, Moriba City with device and the Benjira. Or no, on to me and contest it as we speak now. This is a we are saying. And some say because a serious chrono issue. Wow. And the Akunyamba Bedaho Ama yet to Swaba. The 29th, it depends on what they want to do. Almost executive council so far, so almost supporting them. Some passports. My 2 is being fast, almost started Jom. Why not Obia. And so it's unfortunate, but one of the very experienced or a politician or a football administrator currently in FIFA or one of the finest brains because of the vast experience in life and then also football. But unfortunately, we are society here. We are disqualifying Bonimia and it can't happen even in Ghana. Somebody decided to say, Blaster Sicano, the way I spending or problem with it, debate me see. Oh, the Amiga, but me why you election. But only the difference of say, Bassa Nidiano, say, Onoso Nunquaneco, by Hano, say Bassa and Bakupenebeco, because Sana Mranachire, yes, son. Yahano said no baha. Bakupenebeco.
Yahano.
Yes, son. Yeah.
Sa.
Yet. But only the other son of Quaneco. All difference, no?
Yeah.
So no Quaneco there. A some monsa open bunanco for any nominations ever. No more Vetti and son of Mamma Moquai. Wow. Bye bye, Diana. Ha. But all disqualifying for no one, you said, we said,
everything out to Naza Con.
My last one, a pyramid. I'm going to call Champions League this year. This is the first time I'm going to qualify for CAF Champions League. I'm going to be there. I was on the second Egyptian league to Ali. I'm going to start it to talk. Now I'm going to Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia rank for them. So Pyramids are real Saudi Arabia.
I'm more Saudi Arabia.
So be I'm going to Mustafa Fati, very good Egyptian player for Alta won $1 million. Now I'm going to Fiston Mayele. That's him. So I miss Fiston Mayele.
Kind of
younger.
Mayele.
Former TP Mazembe. DRC top striker.
Yeah,
2 million. Or Pyramids is here.
I'm only 2 million. Mayele na crop ya le pelo pa. He's our guy. Last time I did no come okra.
Sompa Sports. I don't need 2 million.
Fiston Mayele. Na koto over once in here pelo pa.
But your mommy come
$2 million.
Oh.
How many abu you
that
share that
$200,000. Give me the day about $200,000. Then I will proceed. So don't worry. That's 10% of the cost of the player. Moon to be that.
$200,000.
Wine and muton.
I have to be that.
Wine from outside the country. Please. So they are almost Saif Gaffer, very good midfielder. Osama Nabil, very good midfielder from Zamalek. So my boy Zamalek. They have money. Pyramids have money. The problem is break it down the duopoly. But with this Omoko Champions League, they have invested. Don't forget that this is a team. Wale de Kati free work after Champions League. Osho Ramadan Subi is there. Abdullah Esaid is there. Mahmoud Dunga or Blati Turi is there. Ahmed Sami or goalkeeper Ahmed Esanawi. They have quality. Eric Traore or Adel Ibrahim, boy now, over Egypt under 23.
Yeah.
Sports is there. So the quality they have with Nyomodi in the Champions League, they might not get too far, but they are going to make some reasonable impact with the investment they are making. Solid investment.
Hey, idea.
Oh no, Champions League, they forget it.
Apostle.
Oh yeah, Kobobi. I hope some media will do the right thing. I only have problem with some of the purchases they made, but apart from that, I hope at least Remo will go through Remo.
Mate, why? Na my call now me Roxy Travels in Ninkomo. Na ani akwantu hu nsem de Roxy omasua na wo so ko na ye boa say oye head worker won sa no juma na we student apesu footballers no kra won hye pa mamo oban ya kwaba
enio
na ompomo ko de
abu mpomo de pa
ye da twere aponya ko passe na Roxy ere hye pa mo wo de man ni hu komo akra say na ezite
merasi so already can footballers in the best start
and start one year
sports
na yeah chassis or yeah footballers in your package bi o na
bebre
family room e fa ndi na makọ yimiti e ncheme zabo fa you room near
abu ezana asama ba
yeah go football no say na so to tie
okay football no yeah wo opese obo professional football na wachia obo mfichira emra so say university wo wankasa ho
no credit
enti no ye pese ye di nipa free Ghana eko UK ye di ni free Ghana eko UK
oh okay
no okobobo ye won hye pa ma football e bia opese okobobo UK na ye de obefa academic line ni mu enti ages from 15 upwards up to 26 yeah so unim say o fall that category in India Roxy edo beko UK amo akobobo ho no na enye on kwa say baby bebre ne sika pie ba ye ni Saudi phone nso edin komo eklekipe ye mama so nsi
do the engineer from saying to
from time a woman bit me ajawa ma otukwan
e de kwa kukuru animu
yes
wow there's a UK
uko yi utina problem bi wo ho
problem me
tisa abu se oba ko boyi o di enkola football age na beko
o da bi se bi kita me card enye
nti se ne de
se be bawo mi kita me card
abu nti se sia o mfise
me card angaza
ya football
ya football age o mi fie no
mfi angaza 19 enti abu anya 19 eno abobo na wanya ni je komo na duru a nyama 19 years aduru rabu
ya belum le sali aje in fie
ara me on to me ya bi prakra me ba fie
o be fine opportunity pa
yeah fine opportunity ma football is need here
enti eno enhye da ho ma enti no qualification ye say o ye training na mo bi efa o smartphone na o video o tactics ni where you know on flexibility no and a bruni no elbeshe na last year near plan sen ka brofo ni beba but do 202 been torment me amma but they say near pese omo beba enya listener they will come and support us na din kofoko.
Okay, do you also UK na Saudi
the India enwie
ba UK the end bibia de na ho hye ne te say bia me bobo te say ma twa me video ma ba wa hu on zo mini ball no bo me wo hye bia me fam ansa na bia time na so na makọ akwakudu wa na
eno kre ni say ye be send videos na ma club na ehia wo no academic you know nti wo de wo be set ni where you know passport no bibia ba then we will deal with them nti we be to academic fee. So now, Oba and China, you lead the way now. Then you cooperate with the academy now UK. No.
Oh, okay. The moment one the academy fee no be chia.
And your own triama ye.
Oh, chia. Oh, okay.
Aha. Tie the travel expenses no ni we say no na Oba ye no be kan ho ase.
Ah, okay. But a bape video no kwa academy na ni aso a. Na ba be link no between player na way. Two person kwa na mo mahwe na mo tu ana mo na kwa na ma.
O manager any academy side in the link.
Oh, okay.
So you be more so free Ghana I do work UK no.
And no na mutu wana. That's the way they share.
Say by rule. They say about for am say obetimi afa e form kura kwa bruchiri.
Yeah. Ti ne kono nya ya.
Ne kon de enye problem.
Aban Fana mani tujwa na eni nkomo from because me say any footballers no omo be pepper so be right mo na ma no fa ram na ye nko.
Enokre. I say Roxy ye wo Kumasi and cry.
Okay.
Eti opese oni se bia utie won cry na opese oni cry for kasa.
Sompa
Obe fro 0244 61 737
37 32.
Yeah.
That's
0244 yeah.
61
737
32.
No, sorry. Mami ko no over BM.
Beba. 0244.
Oh, Trobion. Okay. Inti 0244 61 32 37. Yeah. 0 Akradia no. 0244 61 32 37. Any Akra.
Oh, I know your Akra number. Na Kumasi.
Any Kumasi nso 0557 60 73 75. And I say 0257 77 67 30. Yeah.
Natchez and no get numbers and the fra. Yabomodina. Apart from footballers, no, she share be in the war. Ede ma yini ano na gabe Ghana ba nya football nkwa na yebo ye waduma bi bra ye bi mu ye nurse for bi mu ye doctors e bi mu so ye nsentro for e bi mu so ye adwuma bi bri bi so won san adwuma bi oye ti hihye be mbiem na Roxy mo wo ede ma sankofo no so
nti abudie tie nie wo de ya o time atwa mo football because me kai say mo koye sports no be hwe bi abumba chobo 15 minutes dia kanya yinsu nko
sa eno ye da bend ye no
games now koye no kai
games no
sa enti ye tene say wo de no ubenya akwanya wo so kwagigi ho okwagigi ho any of the countries e beba wadwen mu no
okay
come to Roxy
country beer beba wadwen mu
country beer beba wadwen beer because you have visa assistance
okay
and our passport assistance so you are qua visa in all the Schengen countries no
wow
the man take it there what you say and your work permit in America visa need be man e be man work permit in so aka ho America
to call page man bre
omre se ame no ka say omu hia teacher for America
wow
and Canada
wow
so just here nti sa ehɔ no ɛno no ɛna afɔ yɛ pɛ abranefo bi te sɛ deɛ mene ne yɛ interview akɔ secret wɔ Bahamas
abranefo akɔ secret wɔ Bahamas
yes
also wana mu di obo ne yɛ tetetere sɛ fa na ba no na aba wo
na
Bahamas
abu opesa wɔ kɔ America ne yɛ refuse wa fa backdoor Bahamas
Bahamas yɛ Bahamas bɛn
ɛyɛ 46 minutes now what do the plane 46 minutes what do Florida
wow
yeah
Bahamas
I said it there
Bahamas. But who's off season was a place and any kiski no canchemano, no more share Bahamas in the area. About the Bahamas.
Michael can say Nigeria.
Some passports.
Want to me afford it. Bahamas white on white sand. And you're fita.
Bahamas.
Yes, and you're fita. Now no minimum $5,000 per match grab about $5,000.
Bahamas are going to the apostle and compare match. Hey,
I said, who pesca? So who pesca?
On the Famachico.
It's gonna go.
Ever crack up and I pay.
But I saw was one was all watching.
Oh, that and Nigeria matching one.
Oh, say,
and Nigeria matching.
I said Nigeria that match is not complete.
Okay, be a lawyer there. Made down only that money, Japan.
That way,
Minya Fufunia punching quite.
No, Benya Fufu, sir.
I'm a Japan.
Some common any day.
Some passports.
And on your show, or done apart from the Kumibu. I was
some passports. We will be a donor.
Me,
I'm
Timmy, Messi. Say, Sabi, a do baby now would do a robber deeply. Still, I've not seen it. You together. A honor bones, Sabi, when young son, you know, baby. That is what I'm talking about. Oh, Minion.
And I know what I say, Fufu.
On the river, if you class a beef to your friend,
yes.
That says I don't know Bini Bahamas. A Ghana dollar account. Bahamas.
It's Bahamas. How do you Juma? And see, oh, per se, we Juma or Bahamas. Say it's Christian Guadia, Braroxy.
A simple cry.
A simple cry.
Bahamas or
Bahamas. And I said, Bahamas knew as the end of war.
Abina ya Roxy Kumasi and Fanny Boom was a Renasona.
Roxy
and Fanamba Nibim.
Yeah, Asafo VIP station one as anti home a good home touch.
Okay.
First floor.
Oh Kumasi. And Uncransway.
And Cransway Caswa CP opposite Methodist Church.
Young friend number Nibim now.
Your number no yeah. So see I'm for free. Simon. But I'm student to me my Apostle Meko, Apostle, Mario Michelle, Yamba Kumasi Diano, I will Asafono VIP station on Good Touch. Number near 0257 77 67 30 and I help you Musu. Bit my friend 0557 60 73 75 and Kaswa CP opposite Methodist Church and I crowd yeah 0244 61 32 37 yes
Abemante medase pa na ebe ba Bahamas nkomo no why na bibia na Roxy some passport medase pa no next week e bezesha
apostle
hello ye Roxy travel send your kokokoro mama so ye dizolote ye no obezo rama mama no ne kobo ejuma work permit ni bibia bere na ya ye di amana aboana tutu na koyie pa etimi edi amana bibia enso etimi adedadin kama pa etimi edi amana se dan reason ko etimi emfa ema ya boafo a na cheso mu ekrase ansa na ya TSF fisi ni maka the Royal Foam Ghana Limited o ma bomoden e the Royal Foam mattress na baba bebaze na yese ne obeda da fom pa anyanda ni ye na de che machi ye me ya misisi ye me ya me kon ye me ye bia emmama eye Royal Foam Ghana Limited o Royal Foam mattress na beboa mane makoye peda mo mattress no bia beto bia ye sign boa netimi echo sunye maka ye sunye pa e ma da fa adwempa ma adwempa no e boa ma babrabo pa ma ne so maso mane makoye peda mo njuma pa mo bonti ya bo mo de awards awodo na na akọ etimi ede amomo na ye ka mo bia ntezo mo na bo mo de agoda award no ewura me de mo so mo ye foam papa ejana na no so koso ne was 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Awards and ultimately mo the 20th anniversary of Otunvo also to the second na just omo presented that award no e de mo nye no nko omo money ejuma mo bonti ombo mo de 12 Ghana Business and Financial Service Excellence Award no yes am present award de mo sampa juma di no mu di no ya de na no e de mpa ndi no ze ne unye omo mattresses ni bia fa omo number na ne omo ni nko na ejuma so di omo ye bi pa 0202 27 1000 0202 271000 Royal Foam rest assured na emwa na nemande da din so emfa manya matre ne matre na de oda so a oda also da epe boa na hye na ko yera ma Game Park Limited se yentonsa emfa mbro so mo de akrade fofo kra etimi aba na akrade no mo de aba no de ma no ye depa no ene so mo de no numbers ne nye prekese en dize ba ku bia na 1290 na mane ade we de 029 no yo bo mo de na predict ze o numbers 9 bia eno no betimi abo a na che so no watimi adi enhyehyɛ no also no wo hwo ene ese awon hyehyɛ pa wuma ebo ama ne makoye pere amade di kan no yezo bo mo de na predict se numbers awtwa no 1 2 3 4 na utwa ni straighter eba na yesa pepepa osika bebre ebizo atim predict se numbers na eba no eye den a 4 bebo mienu ana bebo mprensa eno so fa osika bebre nti simple o de aneze no be ko Play Store ukra phone ana tablet a babo modern etimi a download na eno no Game Park Games app no Game Park Games app no ana simple www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com arakra phone bia network bia use bia no ora star 946 hash star 946 hash we ram no abo modern akoto akrade no na aboa omonhihye mu no double chrono ye bo modern atwi draw no mpre no miensa anopa de ne 9 o'clock am ewiade no 12 pm na nwuma de ne 6 pm nyina live on Adum TV nti ramuna emmoama ne manda di fama de hia ne ze wenya edum fie no ne dun wortwe qualify so no akrade no obo modern to bia no so echi no enele abomode adwoma tuma adwuma di no omudi no eho tinti no ye beboa na hyehye no so no adeda ye kama pa so no etimi edi amana sra kese no so no ebi ntimi enko ntimi enfama 52 Estate Construction Limited maka se fie no makoma kudunum ni no mo hyase so mo egbo adwuma no mo ye no ehonte niama de dem ekọ kama pa so no etimi ede ema mo na munchemu no ene sere nhyehyɛ no esiete no ene zezi nei so wa mo no ne no pass ase ana fie ewo kumase ene nkran no omo nko ana ado ho to omo so a yebre ne di adwuma ho adwuma kama ede ama ofa na ne adu sika na che afi ma ne nyesa hwe na ye nhyehyɛ ni ye na mboa na ne man koyie pa na munkomo no de ma ne ye de pa ne se omo na bomode etimi antoto ye se de star round no ze ye full plot ena auto half plot no show mo ene so to ya pe na ya boss asase na su ama no nyina so mo ema cement bags no 20 ze gena fa she adwuma na se se de be boa na so de so na etimi abam tum be we de na pe 52 Estate Construction Limited mo edi dis adwuma na dan no wasi edu bebi aho kira ba pe so to a ene omu ni so asase no bebi eda no o pe so to a ene omu ni so na afi fidada no mo pe se bru renovate a ene omu no ka so mbeba na omo agiska ne fa ya ba be adwuma no ko etimi edi pema na ekosi a na ya bomode na nke na ya ji etimi era so opo mo nkomo party a ana omu dwuma di omu dia o de anase content and video no so say Facebook, Instagram and TikTok no 52estate.com mo bonzampa omu edi dwuma pa ana be form number na omu di nkomo 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 797 0531 525-797 opo mo akra Kesema Junction Game Park Chimota Road no Kome Plaza ubenyo omo Kumasi ano udu ani achomo page 4 anto akwan no so no omo ebo adwuma kama party ni de so no ebeba media mo 52 Estate Construction Limited omo ene retimi abo Trinity of Arc Limited Company zene oye health worker ebi di say doctor nurse midwife lab technician akwanya naba Canada UK yeroko wakwa akoye adwuma jiska bebre na Trinity of Arc omo nhyehyɛ ne niam omo di ram no akono ninti no okokodu ahon nkyɛw obefa ntetie mu obo mode afa ntetie ne mu nyina na yesan ye nhyehyɛ no etimi ere ama na aboa na onso no wetimi enya online sisi ne bi di abo adwuma uye adwuma ne nyina ayo clinicals no na otwia ye osika ne ram kama so no etimi edi emanti na Canada UK nurses no akwanya do etimi ere ma peso okɔ ekokosua ade wa amono ne bibi ti say Canada America se north south anasipo no Europe no nyina do be call footballers ne eboa Legis Sports Visa ere brother mo ansa ne dwuma no ebi zo ye carpenter ye Tyler onso no ye driver now ye mechanic farmer anampo no so ye plumber dodo na no eni omo enisa oso na ebe na ya boa mpo no unisa no dwuma Romania eli ejuma wo no simple a ye no be entutu ye na afie de warum na so akọ bo ejuma Ghana setena fo no obezo tran bebi ze kan Canada, USA, UK, and our Shingi State now, in a Trinity of Arc Limited Company, Brena, Yedu Jumeda, Makumaso, Pomo, Adrato, Masalachi, Amobena Report Junction, Kaswa, Nyan Crantamona, Kaswa, New Market Road, no, Fidelity Bank, or my bank show, no, not first floor, or more, Ebridge, Makama, Party, Romana, Yamwa, Naneman, the Yoma number, 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 at 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 na 0205 572 076 0205 572 076 Niamwa Nanemanko Yepa Entimi Enfama Makansa Betway www.betway.com.gh in a Uromo site or when you do Finu do or Chenkwa and she any day come pa 8 year manina and is also about more than a Betway golden code promo ultimately age simple cry on site or Rayusu the golden booking code no na embow na jam na so na nemande da yepa and from an pension share no obo more than a search on site wa na unya yazine okwa matches na no ultra from 10 Ghana cedi kokuramo 40 Ghana na India nebo more than sika no SN remedy man na 50 Ghana corner ndi and unya ska no na mum no 10 cedi 40 Ghana 50 Ghana ultra na udia obo more than when ska bibri nti this around no Betway no school na bomb more dey no Uromo site wa they also the age no the golden booking code no eno na beboa na wenye skibri na to no akuyera ma warring no terms and conditions ya de omujuma de omudi no ya apply no mo eboa manema koye pa etimi edie ma oni du fie du otwe a emfa Jesus agrono pin for any die eboa manema koye de ma Betway bet your way na to end the din so no emfa ma to ma daroma any roma ye ebo ejuma eboa manema da ye so no etimi edema na teteps yakọ enkoko ramu ni nkoma na ye ka ze FIFA school project no eba Bazia man the Ghana Football Association to almost be 30,000 balls Rama ye chair Edema school no moko kokutu ana moneno and honorable sports minister Asha Wofonezene Momamba no bono munimba Momo Mokwan no Mumrama Jamu Nijma na enkonko mema no kwa.
You know the World Women Football World Cup is ongoing, and this is something that we cannot leave our girls behind. Ghana, we are also privileged to have Women League, and it is creating a lot of jobs for our young girls as well, just as it has done for our brothers. So I want to use this platform to appeal to parents to not to see football just for the boys, but the girls as well. So that when you have a girl child and the person is interested in playing football, support the person, and the person can also get a career out of it. You never know. One day, she might be playing in the Women World Cup one day for our country. You know the World Women Football World Cup is on.
Eltiano ye command no na just honorable sports minister bomode etimiere tudwane nyina mo na boa na ntoto no etimi ada ye kama pray etimiere ma eromo all the general secretary the Ghana Football Association lawyer Prosper Senado wa ma reason tia erefi no yes tamale mpato no ose yeko na Ghana ni Football Federation abato no ye ko ne ye kokoto nchemusi no bomode di jai.
The decision to take elections to Tamale, Ghana Football Association, or football family in all the football regions of Ghana. I say we take football everywhere. In the past, don't say every final workers post, but you will see a conscious effort say move finance, that we take football to every part of the country. The same thing Congress, so move. There's nothing in the football rules you can say Congress should be held in Accra. Never. Unlike even BBC say FA Cup, there's no rules who say it should be played in Accra. And a year from today the FA Cup to me Kotamale, the Biako Kumase, the Biako Cape Coast, secondly so the same way Congress, ESCO decide. The only rule about Congress there, ESCO should decide the venue, date and time to do the Congress. Last one, Biako Kumase, Obia, but to me, I can say it was very successful. Omomo Ashanti region. region, environs, so felt part of the football. If the highest decision making, the Supreme Body, which is Congress, they are about and Sana, this one, Esco, say, Yamfan Kotamali, or Chinabi, a river Poga, a river Tumiakawa, a Sunyani, a Yatebu, and all these towns in and all these places we are bubble and a football forward. So Tamale is privileged enough to host us this time. But now a way of being so it's just family, no, will be and the Esco decides Tamale.
Etiano ye command General Secretary of the Ghana Football Association lawyer Prosper Senado Abomodere to Yajampa enim rebia muze was and crying a chinchin Congress be a team and cost on Mujis football and Busia Kuno sono a tetra shima Pimo Tamal Impatamonti or Transano and a Muzo Mother Koha Ebeboa Tinye Bibia now Mujis a winner quest and national key Yosi Chenubia and Yebine Buan to Becky Congress and Ano ye no ordinary one a Baba be Ramu El Kumasi a buy and Confoni John Party Wino Tamali na abwa na shishene timi adedi after no oka say elections are year kono national elections na eronso no di unkomo chichi mu say no obo mote de mu 70 timi jai.
We're calling for a roadmap to come. I know we are a country of democracies, and so we run national election, and so people some, not all, a few have opinion that the timetable should come early, but there are steps in the timetable based on our election regulation. We are very compliant, and so we will follow the timetable and ensure that everything is fair.
Etiano ye command your pimpana pomo de Ramani Neboa, Ma Namakuyi Kama Pretty Merma Muncomono, Wetimi Eddie Eramu Ediamenamra, and Seri Didi in Commons in a wafa for Nacha Murphy Zone 2, a Banny Division 1, and Tinosi a corner, ye Coco Chintuntu, na ye rating Simiensa, and Nino or Mokwa Kwaku Jamnia Bonabako, Abababi Ramon Common Ramti, 0 Nimuti move, Kufiki Nata, ni team no, and also en Nanchano, your Mahala Academy. Kuju Pukumala ni team no any all young Red Bulls or more Ugampa Temona is a Miami Crum for no. Now Moon Common said and she square no lawyer, Prosper Senado Henry Asantichum, or more echo Kukushiai, Ebo Modin Suntuntana, after draw no Moon Common, Chemusin and Pin for the Dijai.
On Sunday, 10 a.m., Team Move will be playing Mahala.
Yes.
And then it will follow 2 days later by Mahala playing Young Red Bull, and then Young Red Bull playing
Sompa Sports.
So would do the fixtures and then share it to all the participating team and all stakeholders. So prepare for the matches at Cape Coast. The Sildu Park will be hosting the matches.
So the dates once again, the first game is on Sunday?
Sunday, 10 a.m. Then we'll play on Tuesday, and then Thursday we conclude.
Etiano ye commandi wapo modi timi de remedament nyamboa games no ebetimi asha se Sunday ya Sidu Park ro ni chemo kipko sabnada na to aso na asan di animu na ya bomodi ne ye fiona afia teams a eba na team oba ba be shimna wabo amane ma koye pre timi ede ama na chese wafa waba be show mana na hihye no etimi akoso ye frɛ ni chemo so wampem da ko a o maso ye no so ni nkoma akra mo guso bo abomo ze niama dadi awafu no CAF Champions League qualification e benya no na nema adadi ra ma jo na adakwa ere ko tu jemere ma mpem da kwa ladies o ma wuti si ni nema ekoso no e bi za ko ze ko send city e obomode ye didi nkoma nchemu sei e no dijai
follow Isaac so almost footsteps but Isaac and man follow you do finals near but this year expectation here last year wako finals there this year also to qualify in our main tournament the konya focus say you bet my qualify to the main tournament strategy can be so I befa said this time you know Ghana for Asreno yeah say yes sir because then he said for the second time you hope say you quite bit man qualify to the main.
Atiano ye command jo na da kwa coach German man pem la kwa di ladies abomode aba betu ja cheze wo so mo we na munya qualification o moko ekokura mu yejuma Jennifer Kujo e German man pem da kwa no so di nkomo akra nensem no se no so bomode di jai.
Yeah, sometimes we share games maybe, I've loved Azak as is my team, they've been there and I wish they would have gone, but it's also good to say Yabama and that team are corner present to Ghana because the talent is here, what's here. So I hope that what they've done, they can represent the nation and even the club and also open opportunities for players. So I believe that they can do, great. They've come a long way to put their name out and, maybe say what they've done this past 2 seasons. I think they will be able to do something here. Okay.
I know you're common as a case lady, so about your Jennifer Kujabo Modidi, era fan pim da kwa bwama nema dedi pretty me Real Tamales United, the Neomo and new technical team. Members of Mobana or more Ababu Jumano Nabwa, Nanema de Yepa, Etimi Ede Amo Kama Pa Dinora, na Jeze Kuchino Ebe Abdul Mume. Na abwama nema dida yipa etimi edi amomo na hihye na etimi akoso ore na assistant na ozo mo nsoro ere tutu edi da diana chese Al Hassan Idi Manza enso ebobo modern etimi abwa na tutu yana ko yipa etimi edi amomo na team manager no Al Hassan Abdullah Sheila Al Hassan no anabozo zo no Sheila Al Hassan na Niobana wababra na head of youth development no enso epin prefer Abdul Mumuni Gama enso ebitimi physiotherapy no yewo Idrusu Abdul Samed no ejamuna afi no youth team coach no so no orwani HMA na yewo Al Hassan Tofik Alulu eti omo neye pinfo omo baba repti no ono Tofik Alulu ti sa prepare ni siete anyway Alulu smile ti sa prepare ni siete ebo ma na makui meba na ma wa be di koroko ne ha so nkomo na mo top tier stadium abroad consult me na menye ne quick ansa na bijafo no etimi abam top tier stadium abroad consult akwenya be dia ma se ne wawie high school na opeso roma ma no ne ekokokusua dia mo re hihye paraba yezen kankan onim bobo na osan ni mirika kwa yehwe na entutu ni yetimi ra ma age scholarship ama na ansa na no Greece na wo se ya de ye pa enti no kwa usua ade no na o show talent na di after no ya pejuma etimi asan e di aka onyamonko yeze no person ko na bachelor's degree ko masters no postgraduate diploma and certificate doctorate degree programs no wo US Canada UK Australia baby tis Austria and afi New Zealand no ene amame awodo na do ko akwa kurom na ma de di impera ma sat no ye bo chairman comfortwe etimi etwa ne kama pa and afi IELTS no any TOEFL no so ye bo nyeche nurses no graduate undergraduate student no mo so no enhyehyɛ no koyi kama so no etimi edie mo no kwa asetra na nyɛ de nyina so mo akyerɛkyerɛfo a de ondi ye kra no nyɛ ne mfie du nwɔtwe a wabɔ modern etimi edi no ɛwɔ amano ne enti mo amwo nkran no mo pɔ mo office na Madina Royal Circle or CCA Gan Plaza or mo ene Madina Polyclinic ni di anime number no 0203 592 008 592 008 Kumasi Amakum traffic light no mo Eben Bank of Africa 0260 411 847 0260 411 847 Atakra de amobe NK Fire Service afian kwanta kwan no amobe Fijai School Park no 0598 007 852 0598 007 852 ni amwa na hyehyɛ no koyi so no entimi afama bafo polo or the African print no adwuma wabɔ modern de ayɛ ade a ano edem pa na anya bi na sha na maboze nkofo ehwe ha ni nyina ene se bafo dwuma de odi no ano edi ne designs ne 20 de ope no eno ye de amount se ne te ye African print polo shirt African print golf shirt African print running shirt African print v-neck shirt ene ngoro wani chimo boutique awodo na ye boa na ntutu na koye de amount na onso no watimi anya bi nti boutique foro monkora monkonkotu ezaze bafo de no mo gye no tonji scapa se no so yo ba na be ma no ni nyina wura mo ehwe na ye ntutu ni ye etimi era organizations and companies awodo na bi se bankers no monfa nyenye mo Friday wear so bi ba no hu pe no wan zampa nkabo mu ni ye adwuma na adwuma no so no ade a akono papa entimo ntonkra na obre no waye de amanye no nko schools awodo na ese ntama no mo de kra already design it the mam na teachers association and so na fan clubs no obre no wabo antu pe no dudu ma ene ni nkomo bo na unsa kan package no utu akwa kotoni o gold package ya 20 shirt or box mu ya silver package 50 shirt or box mu and your bronze package and also a 10 shirt or box mu go do no far o deliver untwa kapede nationwide delivery Ghana bibia ankonam te se no so no timi gibi obebo na unsa etimi aka na number ni 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 0599 899-919 0599 899-919 up and I am a cocobe Santasi or Boise Quino no Unyano no Abwa Nashana Kuyipa Etimi Edi ama Hatfuk Masua Samuelinkum Edin Koma cried a fan contract on na Wabomodi Achichi Musino Wabomodi Etimi Edi Remo.
I have contract, so I don't talk about my contract, you know, even though I know the contract is supposed to finish this month, but I have certain things in my contract that unless the contract finish before I will start talk about new contract. Otherwise, I will breach the contract and I don't.
I know you're common. You're saying the contract. Remember, we are so store contract. In the years, or be bano ababe kaka. Yes, as or breach contract. No, the professional players there. Because the technical rule no play.
Scouting the woman
a contract
with this mountain.
A count or say or church a contract in my breach contract.
And then I
15th.
The contract be would at the end of this month.
Auntie
Robert play war scouting.
So
he signed as a player. Once I knew as a you. We a player or contract in we. Ultimate year pre-season. Ote botai na wokasa.
On your feet, anything.
Nobody had the crowd of so yeah.
On your feet. On your feet. Why? On your feet. Also, my mommy Steven Dese Mukwala. La Mukwala Edin Comedy Afa. Dr. Prosper Nate Ugumona say no den same na tuya.
What I know about the coach, his character, so I believe we shall go far with his character and the love for the game.
Eltiamo ye Steven Mukwala, Nensem or the Tuyana, Serge Exeze, and so chess a league, Afi Ombejeda Makotoko.
You take your league. This is in Kotoko. This is it. You take your league, Ghana league. You take 20 trophy for Kotoko. Good luck.
No, Serge Exeze, and this season he take our league, and he take plenty trophy for Asante Kotoko. I'm just everywhere. Now, making Apostle Bra. Now, my friend for him, Kaka.
Samolinkum. Interesting, very interesting. Contract in the very able to do. But I think, on a more serious note, I have to side with Mike on a certain aspect. Say, teammates a pre-season or contract, and marry. Anna, you say player crumple prana. Abu, we know. Baby a player nama and as a player chess with plan baby or nam any baby out here and rehabilitation a player no a go through at least say only on green grass crana the premises of where House of Folk does their training in the other no okay because we stay off some of these media duties now air cosono but income no I think say he feels say he's done with House of Folk no matter when the contract will officially end he's done with House of Folk. Maybe he might concentrate on making sure some House of Folk come before some players video my back clubs in him. I'm on your player
wine aka 15 days or team wine a better proper 15 days.
And I'm see he's done with the club.
It do be last apostle.
He's done with the club. He's done with the club.
You follow we but more guys on already on contract. Migi, only Ghana player be on a contract with you.
Yeah,
also more no because have boys in a power.
We'll get there. Faces. The football has gone through a lot. And we'll get there. Very soon. I don't think I better do 2 years, but we'll get there.
We'll be contract at 2 months. Team be approaches up and let it Sompa Sports. Pay 2 billion.
I think recently there was this player has a pay. The contract will be fully. About 1 month into the season. Yasha season as in 1 month in the bill. The club now all torn. NTS says will be jaibo him for free. So as it stands now, the boy has been encouraged. The Uncle Player Status Committee, Uncle Siki floating, non free agent because 1 month now. Club knows what now. Want me register for the season now on my mayor hanging. and a club no so tono or no soon to me register no now because you will be player.
Yes.
So that is the bone of contention. It is a player and a pa no beko player status no akwa si keep floating and san with me join a club or person join me.
Me the power Moses almost Sania man. You are a hard dream. I want to play a fast anymore.
This is being I'm not missing a player because we be on fire. It's outside the country, but the point is that
Sompa Sports
and now only know a sign contract number September. Meanwhile, we hear no say so
exactly.
So you are forced say a so pace Caribbean club.
No,
and yes, I don't allow. But me, I'm making sure the player no go out in the contract. Now sometimes that deal also. So I think with time we'll get there to strong
I think a BSU. It happened with Division 1 League club way. Akosombo, Crystal Palace.
Yeah.
No more far boy back. Hamza Jeffrey, Sky FC. Boy no coin, the time and now can wait. There's a registration period, not one. So almost register without him even signing a contract. Or the cowboy no pry. Now a new contract, we pratify on Bene. So he was eventually forced to terminate arrangement on your one Bobby on
Sompa Sports.
So most of your boys need the essence in signing a contract before playing. Maybe class won't take it time to read it, but the trend is changing.
I think we
say well fear I hope wants to wait in a document about Mami, wait way about Mami. It's because of some of these things. Into a player, near mouth contractor, you need to study the contract first. And crucial. And in studying the contract, in the terms, duration can period can I was all factor all this into being. Say the contract may sign a bosom bang, see a febang. So that o plan here will say, okay, say no, say that baby a plan to even travel abroad. Abroad window no. A slightly different from here, dear. No, I feel any person shifted the call. Into what sign a contract, be no one fast in now and dream because one be now in Bopa. I couldn't be behavior and yes, a window in NBA and yet Tnefia train cry and the football no, Utnefia 1 man, 2 man, so be doing in Krakow because all scout on or scout will be for.
Yes.
So your players, let's encourage them that they should always forward or more contracts, to persons who can better explain to them the understanding, the legal aspect, the sporting aspect.
Sompa Sports
has wide experience in some of these things and how they operate. There are people within our game. Media how these things work. Into what sign a contract, sporting wise, contract 4 years, wow. 3 years, wow. What the saying? That's what 2 hours. Your mommy new contract in David.
Players normally down on you. Be an situation be about baby any good stars guy in injury situation. No contracted the man. No she mu kai mu etiasi hunu baby a. Ebi ekotuna obetimi enya kwan bi so afa so de agini bibi and he's there. But your players no do na fancy say oh menya club ne ba be ball oh eson club ne say ne makọ akọje meje ya in no time they are selling you also person bi a wotena na afi akọ atwema mentwe terminate is it that termination of contract to Kruma say na man ye more. And some of the players what are due to them in terms of termination of contract no kwenye nyina no monsaka because almost sign contract no or man can come with none of them are even able to afford a lawyer. How many players can afford a lawyer? Players do not say the bit afford a lawyer. It is the command manager now ko eduase lawyer. Seven manager no ko tena ni eduase ana so tena fia no abiem no ahwemu din na afide watutun babu. Quickly mama fa semolin kuma asem.
We a player now so manager. O manager no or a lawyer. And no managers.
Normally that is what they do.
It means the whole player
that is what they do.
Because you see a life, not the manager's life. And it's a manager no needs and get expertise outside the manager. Most of the managers don't have the capacity to do that. Managers do so managers, maybe 1% pen or more than anything. Majority of them not. Out there, a lot of them. It's so sad. The contract, they can't even read and understand the contract. And who play on a whole life. So, Sebio, Se Obenya, Obe says Kakakra. Now I pay will be a own him dear. Bema was signed contract. Obenya Faso from Dache Bebono. A year chain. Se Obefa for dear Quensu. Now life, Abe Basa.
And boss, managers here come as a Obudi want to boys in the society. mato butama wo mato atade ama wo mato bibi ama wo iti oya no aka che boy ni say o be sign contract na fa contract ne bra na menye dey me hwem o de koma na ono manager ne be kan ne part bi anasa on club ni so di nkoma ba bi ono ne manager no so be benefit no na dia to and boys need living out of fear around these particular said managers. And Abu, Omuna, let me say, you know the difference between agents and the managers. Some managers feel they are agents, but they are not agents, and it is crazy. Players, now let me say, they are football in the city corner in no time. Some of these things in the Kutia were very difficult for you to recover. A bad thing, and our managers necessarily help the kids. Munya now jadena manager who is catch for lawyer and him. Because na hwa akula so office na hwa akula na to butu man dia na won person investment be kokwa pay for a lawyer no hwe mu mamo abu ma move on to Kumasi Asante Kotoko zeze wakana nsem bukwala aba. And speaking about the coach, there are several issues the club will need to deal with, especially when it comes to maintaining a good harmony within the squad and the technical team.
Are they?
We are in a certain terrain where every player will need to buy. And nipa no ordinary buy so within that particular specific terrain no or more adibia bia nipa kone ye or mo na ye mo da wo buy wa be bi e ho mo kakra. Na Mukwala new to this particular regime in Fege. I'm talking about foreigners in the Krampo team no. In Fege only new to this particular regime because only coach na ye adwuma pen. But Mukwala Zeze. These are foreign players. Personally, I feel they have different kind of lifestyle when it comes to living in Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Zeze, for instance. Zeze, for instance. Only very careful around this particular kind of manager. Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Afutu na de man.
Afutu na de man.
Ara me ani bibi. Me da we a professional player na bazo be we djuma na yesesa ne mama. Na ze nipa na odo be on tena wa fe boy de obeko.
De obeko.
Ti ya wadwuma na we omre so akọ. O sign contract no ko di obi echa be bo abro.
O si sign contract ko di obi echa ko. Eno na ama enei ba ko eto de na wo se eton no. E ma ne ko pie mo ba bi fufuro no.
Yeah, no dia so
what I say.
But I am professional.
And these are diseases.
Me contract me ba. Me ba ti. Se me bobo. Na bia wa ko me na be fa me de be ko team. Na bia amra so. Yesi e man to aso kwa. Na me de mabra bo no to chacha ko so continue oba no me be bo na bra na me be ene dey. Meanwhile me a professional majuma na me ye dey. Me ye. Is that advice ya de mazezi? Dr. Prosper to me usubambu or non so.
Debi.
But to be also be boko kwasa. Hey, anuti ne de na be yi mo ne kalu ata mo aba ne ade maza. Enya gro ne be di kotokwa afi.
Of course. That is why I'm sounding this warning at first. For some of the players now as hard do mutribino. That is why me sounded that particular advice. For some dream that some players need to mabu. You see, this was a club at some point in time, eh? This was a club at some point in time. Not you players ye bibia. You best so player and so. Ni amo ejina nchen. Ni akeka nsema fa chira. At the end of the day, you your coach, you best sacrifice so the player will be there.
Ana amwako.
Afina be wiza wako.
Bi amwako.
I have no idea. This heavy shame.
Still on the suspension or same.
I have no idea. Say Obebo.
If the suspension no, anka club na left here, Kebeti say onze Nico Crampo issue no krano. Omunya enyanhye dan CP gidigidi sabo ma friend Nico to se Nico mra na Nico beka team no.
Nico den the
FA ne dey.
Yeah. But with the club he's still an employer staff so he can train.
Yeah,
okay. But for club ne dey
no na me pese mu e bia wa suspend me mbo be train with the team.
Yeah, because oye you man club.
Yeah, no one say na come America dey Nicky come.
But Makodi no the suspension is from where?
The club itself.
Exactly. So you are suspended there. It means you can't be with the first team for a period.
So but personal training now but you can't be with the team. Not club training. And I think the club and still no munya nyimfa free so. The RMC will sit there and I'm sure they are going to control over that particular market. But let me continue with my advice. Abu honu nya me ye pa.
I'm my kumra. I want.
Meba e hono me hu nya me ye pa.
I'm my kumra.
Because my team sembi wa chiri.
Asembe na watu weji.
Abu
as a man, I
was said to you,
Mammy can't say, Mammy can't show. Where through Chrome? Abagan. Somewhere bobo. Na udi sebe nsemhunu. Because of first of all, one cause of bravo unnim ni entia nyamikra ball. And to our life, if you want to misbehave, no problem. But the club as well share. Club will make sure somebody share. You will deal with if you go contrary to club share. So don't worry.
Definitely, nobody has a problem with that.
One thing I know,
the club will deal with
what will happen next season with Kotoko team, they say the management, Omo run a club, no, will not countenance on indiscipline. They will not. Omo to turn Nasekra. Indiscipline in every aspect.
Sompa sports.
One thing I know for sure, they won't countenance. And there will be.
David,
the only thing I can do here is I offer the players advice that they should understand what the coach wants to do and tune into what the coach will love to do. And I'm very careful about whatever way I want to prosper will be delayed, because as it stands, you can't catch any mention. I say, wow, you're in discipline behind you. Until I drain it down, they can't paper. Paper, and one start season, clean it, erase it. And it said they were about computer issue a day, Jumaya Tambi Bidiato, Rabishimuano. Delete before it's too late. Delete.
Or you're more because you're about indiscipline. And a matter of discipline. Or you're dangerous and prosperous. Captains, you know, or study GG from
silent killer.
Now, there's some other necessary. Captains necessary. But they were first
sports. Yeah, as
the first time about national tour, so far back to every. Ask me what happened. So this era, like Michael Akomiani Weka, this era, would they try? They say, "Be born no one check with CIP." But I'm this. Mukra Mukwe, you are about 10th grade, 20th grade. When it comes to Kotoko rankings, please. Apostle. Who make out was a Kotoko place one grade. 10th and not 20th grade.
Apostle, I don't know 10th and 20th, they move out.
Now, Jodebra Mukra in Kotoko structure, Jodebra Mukra, they are below.
Jodebra move.
Yes.
Kotoko no. Or more from
now 70s, 83 for some Benyo.
On their generation, no best players in all Kotoko this year.
No, why then? The question I'm asking you that. You push. Time at Kotoko, your best player, they were playing the national team. They were dominating national team. Sometimes national team can't buy it. Jojalas and Kasem Chiro. And then no more Chan cry from Musa, Muka saying.
You play a World Cup in you.
Michael.
I was not a Torah Diaminu Dinkomulias and I had to say, they make a they make a you say, me shadow. You play a World Cup. You play a World Cup.
I say every time so I Ghana GF Combia, there was a Kotoko player prominent.
Now we even keep goalkeeping croquet, Bacho. You're winning 82. Say you can't suppose. You can't count.
Adani the keepers be brave.
68. When number one goalkeeper, Robert Mesa. Number 2 was Arnold Kofi.
Also, you need keep Saturday the keepers be brave. I'm on you. But then you Jojo Wallo Kotomo at Ziggy Mali.
You see, and come on the way is it here.
I want to Aboma Buana.
Yeah.
BBI okay.
BBI fine. What for case? BBI free more. I think. The reason behind our more decision to withdraw.
Sompa sports.
Me, I know this decision, this reason, even before almost started last season. And it's because it is expensive for them to play league matches with Gomwa. Omo fee Gomwa way Omo Janaho, and Omo relocated straight to the voter region. Into Omo business and as a operation area a voter region. To play our Gomwa fete week in, week out, it means that it has a create a wafa annex, fete, all those ammonium or munda near you or no. Now you are going to pay extra cost of electricity, utilities, then over house boys nibi or wash or my idea. Then arrangement with school anyway, so it means you need to now find schools within the area for them. It is going to be expensive and then more cumbersome. So they had wanted say time omuko relegation no. And Kayen slot you into zone 3. Nanka zone 3 no matter voter region honano no mabo clubs are within that proximity. They even wanted say come on shift at the aba liberty or more carried off for non-comma bomb matches or Nina were rejected. So expensive, and it was actually a very expensive venture for them to play last season. And they feel that the best way forward, and they go off a zone 2 division 1 slot, then they start again. Into you football no more, they will still play in FA organized competitions. Then they will climb through that ladder. No more be PMO zone 3. Into what for the next 3-4 years, what is a warfare pre zone 2, zone 2 division 2. It was zone 3 area hona or qualify. And that's what to Ghana football. It is because they want to move away from zone 2 brackets, because so one year we are one breaking ranks now or became and a prevailing situation. No, sir, or more the classification of teams in zones, based on proximity, baby our. And as a time I classify what I saw or no, go more fete fine not. There be. This is why your relocation. The Boa Stars and they say, or your Premier League team. So you can classify into zones. And Premier League, Obia Bono. So when our Stars was changed to Legon cities, they could easily move. By the crown, they had to pass through certain processes. But when a zonal, ya come wash into mushim in Ebako. So Ed so be breaking out of it. So the only way was just give up the slot and the MPBM.
But Legon cities, your relegation still has one.
Sompa Legon cities. Yep. And they could start something like that. You have to go back to her. On me more on crying. Yeah. Teams no more with this one. Unless we structure yes division 1. Was that England championship no? Oma lumpio mu ina bomo. Bear over 30 teams was no. Exactly. And to say you bet me sana but in England omo no travel ni we na den to say any ha. Ye no one akwan ye 2. And yet teams ni ina kra na good air vehicles omo di 2 kwan. Ti wo be kani ina bomo a chairman e ka omo be bono because they 48 teams. Oh, they can say who prunia they about 30. So we 30 mpo a mebo 29 away matches calculate. Tiena form. There will always be challenges they be facing. So it's difficult for us. But our 10% tax on motive or betting so no. Time with him. Me say a boy we are. Because why? You see, the tier free sports betting more. If we really want to do this, then that money should go into sports development.
Matilda, we are back near this. Also, but we are a mama for the brother 65 for the sorry that.
I'm only Ghana. Mickey, Onigana. Onigana, no candy, and penny for the infant. Yeah, man, come in. Ghana. Say, I'm more interested in developing sport. Which sports?
Exactly. When? Yes, sports, yeah.
And then, Sebi, Yediomako, Yesu, and I drag you on Fufran. Another than a honor. I drink that and I pay for Tumna.
See the yes, yes,
until I see. And if you have 5 years period,
there's a book now. I Benale Petre,
but I'm in coming boy.
I buy that chassis, just as you over, yes, or just so. About something, may say, and you here. The sports complex is move yet. You see, yeah, my Mohamika so much. Ya preset your best before I see in them. Near Hona say, I say, you want you money at Jago. President Govoye Stadium, as you want to say, or yes, stadium fresh, as you want to as I say. As you point, ye say, I see a botema, Meboa. Yeah,
Esbon, all the state of Esbon. Some people are the state of Esbon.
Oh, the ministers are more.
Question one, that well, Sa state no Sabi a offer.
And you may say,
also, Cosifu for Udi, so see, no answer, Cosifu for Yan send him. This is the kind of country we find ourselves. So my comment, my sad, who no beji Sunday me, I will not believe any of them until me who some way any man answer. You penny for say be brain cannot crack. And I be bring super semicunya no mufu. To my uncle, my comment. Now, near me can say a bar a ma boboa. I know you're parents, we are mommy especially. Now bad girl, any opportunity say
Sompa Sports.
Na nyame na do mama no. The talent, some bobola. And then to say first, no, yes. I can say ministry no. And there in terms of public awareness. On say about a ma boboa. Yeah, the name of the show, bobola, on to me, sa near man and yanokre, or bow bobola, school crowd, one man and call addition and yanokre. USN had 4-time world champions. US ultimate sport our university graduates.
Oh yeah, Uncle University.
US girls on bar World Cup in they are graduates. But side near my way, parents be a jade in the background or tell near friend of schools or Bobo cry on Pesa Carnbeco. So I say all I bear I say mad you know. And constant educational awareness for parents start from GS. Near my teacher for almost various schools, parents no bus, some PTA, they should discuss it at the PTA level. And my parents said, Thomas, look,
some passports.
They can't tell mommy be a net. So bad girl a bobola. Bompire say, Obekunim. Nanka any Africa, any Macra CAF Champions League, and they all. Abema Aquenya say, and they are top players every high crackle. Africa, I mean, Kobebia, Sundance, AS Farm. Now, almost top players are boarding thousands of dollars. And they say, I know. We a player crowd now, Bano, Bobo, Ghana, Kenya, me, Tanzania. This year, I was able to present 3 players to Tanzania. But standard requirement on Penumintimiania. Tanzania, almost top players every year, minimum $5,000 to $7,000. A big crowd to $15,000.
Wow.
Almost started a cracker. Minyan Kwabruch, me say Africa crop poaching say hono. Now, Fano say Ghana qualify for World Cup, my World Cup. The next World Cup, Bebasu. Yeah. And FIFA, Nyamia Daruma, Infantino Daruma, you were a Marco World Cup and you $30,000 for group stage. Player Biananya. I didn't see that. Uko group stage, Broco Monco group South Africa, $60,000 no biabaji. Oba might be a tax now, minor Betty. But would they finance on $50,000? Parents make sell Oba the $50,000 bro. Because enya di papa.
Oh, we can say.
So emre we no anticipate na opportunity all ma for football and you and then no opportunity no doors. And it's all your parent now bag girl e bobola. Kwa so na da nyame ase. Na push no, na boa no, na guide no say omboko nim. Cause then opportunity na ba ama no. Enche a man in me man no opportunity no difference back a creep because a ma ball no work up because we. Yeah. Ya share crash mema. Tickets are son. Over 2 million tickets. And the Marble no share eyeballs now. And then Marble no FIFA for the first time. Australia and New Zealand.
Some passports.
Independent sponsorship. First, no, the Ebia World Cup. Now, the Madeno. They say, Madeno, I'm broadcasting right. So, and then Marble a tumpon. And the minister, no, but they see the ministry should lead this with the Ministry of Education. Why can't we Opa Maki? She
I was my member now man my affair for now 55 for the men sorry so na yankwia me no be sen share 0554931931 05489319 for odi any baby after v.
Hello.
Yes madam.
Good morning.
Yes madam.
Me pa cho company.
Baba cho ane.
Me pa cho. But I'm taking this one for mine.
Yeah, na wa be juma ma ba be. Why oba or around. Odi any baby after v.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes sir.
Aunya Solomon.
Hello you go.
And a Friday I chance one family. Na na from Port to say watch from the no from the door. Mo ne e be jafo nyina ba so pa na me chia wona bo frank e bo ha atuma mo be ja no promoted and I ever fed the Kodjon cancer man so from assembly man na abu ka me kan say e me ne mo ya jene pa the only player na say we sign contract ah e won enkin kan e do nya lo dia what the contract na we sign na say because you want it and it is a chancellor or has to put the correction until when it would it be some of the contract to him no one more yes then would you know a contract na we sign and the very part we player contract the contract na we sign won tia tia a lawyer will take contract na say no team sign contract na pampa na dia upia na betimi aboa
Mate me da so pa odi any baby afrefi.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Abu.
Yes sir.
My men tell you about your phone was 239 obey.
Also, I go.
No, my son was Bantma. My member of Grand Dynamic Church in a care regard to the host of ability to make you on pay. Now, Abu, also Yanko Pardon, was this can tell you about the dinner to you. Yes, Reno. I do not know what
Oh, so be kwaba mentonka ye udi baby afrefi.
Baby a so kwa ni line no bi do she club ni. O ibo na shi na atlatu in for papa pesi.
O ibo ya go.
Na abu you saki ni ho ye.
Na ho ye pa.
Na musi da be na ye be hu lita.
E cho beba.
Ana rap na o ma ye na ama na yale na. Apu nyakopon kamo na ibabe die ye prema di for say omunya na asem. Ibabe yo ba obetimi adada be ma pa oni mi so oba wa ye ni la ewie wanya no no e wa ji wa gongon eti omunya ibabe asem na ko pe le akufo na ha support ye supporters no supporters ni ma ene ha support ye ni coach no coach not is buy no aka practice ni no nyama nko yama na aka this season but shanyama by supporters Marco Pamno. Most of one among Casate.
Mate as your woman found for Diani baby Alfrefi.
Wadaruma, your friend Junior Baumia, Manso and Tokom the Shekonkwan. The DC Konkon Honorable and His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Alat Mamba Midfield, Martino YouTube, and Philip Cancer. And at the end, say, many of Kasaku Ibu, and Mbappe. Enya Madrid be down. I so coin. Madrid is over. Now the thing na say who the player now sign contract. Then I mean Solomon Ekayen. Say who be a one take contract see. Tell lawyer be so be on no bit na kan see. No more what you say one language what you say mo what you say. No ya kan no be chill mu am what ni. We say no be chill mu what you say answer. What the penalty paper so as yes sir very baby no now contract wo ko sign on ko jiska we na be akwa mo na e be sere na be ko to so bi di se yewura kenya wo sia yetimi a wo yi mpanifo ama obeda timi ya no didi bi bia be yakama nyina ayi wale behind
mate mera se pe memre na so me de ma pem ye ko na ye baba e wi a 3 to 4 na shootout no ato aso de amamo